Things Zazen. Beginning Zen practice. The breath and the mind. What if the most radical act you could take today wasn't quitting your job, wasn't running a marathon, wasn't even mastering intermittent fasting, but sitting absolutely still and watching yourself breathe? Not exactly the stuff of Instagram glory, but stay with me. Because hidden in this absurdly simple act is one of the most refined practice methods developed in human history. And no, it doesn't involve incense or chanting in Sanskrit. It involves your body, a cushion, and the air you're already breathing. Zazen, seated meditation, isn't just sitting there doing nothing. Rather, think of it like a three-legged stool. The first leg is posture. Your body arranged in a way that minimizes distractions while still keeping you alert. Cross-legged, upright spine, hands folded, eyes not quite closed. Not monk cosplay, but engineered stillness. The second leg is practice. The actual method you employ while seated. And the third leg is engagement. The quality of attention you bring to this entire activity. The willingness to stay connected with circumstances, while still noticing when your mind has wandered off, and returning without scolding yourself. 3 legs, 1 stool. Leave one out and you're flat on the floor. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Within this structure, there isn't just one practice that is employed. There are actually many to choose from. Some schools emphasize just sitting, where awareness is wide open, with no anchor at all. Others throw you into the deep end with koans, those maddening riddles designed, in part, to short-circuit your intellect. But for all beginners, there's a simpler, steadier gateway. The breath. The Ānāpānasati Sutta. The Mindfulness of Breathing, lays out a sequence that can serve as your starting map. Step 1. Return from thinking and take notice of the length of the breath. Long or short, deep or shallow. Don't change it. Just observe it. Is it rough or smooth? Tight or easy? Warm or cool as it passes through the nose? Step 2. Expand your awareness to the whole arc of breathing, the entirety of each breath. Follow it from its very beginning, through its crest, into its fade, like watching the tide roll in and out. Step 3. Allow the attention to the breath to expand to include an awareness of all of your senses. Breathe into the various sights around you. If inside, the floor. If outside, the grass and other sitters. The myriad of sights that can be seen. Breathe into the sounds around you. The bells, the clappers, and the birds. The myriad of sounds that can be heard. Breathe into the sensations of the moment. Your butt on the cushion, the breeze on your cheek. The myriad of sensations that can be felt. Attention to the breath and attention to the mind will not be 2 separate practices. Here, they're one continuous endeavor, Step 4. Repeat. And now, recognize that this practice isn't about turning yourself into some enlightened statue. It's about tuning in to the machinery of your own existence with enough clarity that the usual noise, anxieties, impulses, compulsions, loses its grip. And here's the reality. It looks like nothing. If someone walked in, they'd think you're just sitting there, trying hard not to think. But internally, it's like watching an entire civilization of thoughts rise and fall, while the senses and the breath keep rhythm like a silent drummer. That's it. No fireworks, no dramatic breakthroughs. Just sitting, breathing, and discovering that the ordinary, when looked at closely enough, is anything but ordinary.